Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I did polygels on my non-dominant hand. So let's get straight into the video. I'm starting off by arranging the nail templates that I've already chosen and filed according to my nail size. Keep watching till the end to see what I did differently from the previous one. And then we have our cutie little glass jar with the slip solution that I'm going to be using. And we also have the two-sided brush with the spatula and the brush itself. And then we have the builder gel. I'm using the shade 04. 04 is the shade that you can see on my other hand. This is the second time I'm using the polygel, and if you're wondering how I used it for the first time, I have a full video on how I did it. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And this is the nail file that came along with the box, and it was worn off by the first use, so I decided to use my trusty new nail file. This nail file has 6 edges starting from filing to smoothing the surface. Then we have our nail lamp and the top coat and the base coat as well. And last but not the least, we also have our cute little wooden cuticle pusher. So let's get started, keeping all the things aside. So step 1 is to gently push your cuticles back. And the next step obviously is to remove the shining surface from the nails. And then you need to clean up any dust or oil using a lint-free wipe dipped in alcohol. And now we can start preparing our nail templates, which are good to go. And we have our slip solution here. So let's begin doing the nail templates now. Once again, make sure you have the right size of the nail template, or you can just trim off the edges. And one thing I learned from the last video is that we need to take just a little amount. So I'm taking here a very small bead and starting off by spreading it with the slip solution provided. Whoa! And I took my time blending that up. It was really long. And what I did differently in this video and on my non-dominant hand was to do all the nail templates at the same time. So I did all 5 of them together and kept aside, and then planned to cure it together. So watch till the end to see if that plan went successful or not. Now that all the templates were set, I was ready to cure it, and soon I realized that I missed a step there. So that was the base coat. So I started to apply a thin layer of base coat. base coat is fully cured, we can start applying the nail templates that were prepared earlier. I started off with the pointing finger first, but honestly it didn't go well. It was just lifting up, so I was trying to gently push it and all the polygel was moving here and there. So I thought, okay, we'll cure it first and then let's see what happens. So it cured well, but I was not sure about taking off the template yet, and I moved further to the next finger and I was pretty happy with that fixing. And as per planned, I decided to do the next and the next again. So we'll cure all the 3 fingers together and let's see what happens. As you can see, it cured well and I was very happy with that, and I was left with my thumb, and that was the last template I had. I just fixed it on my nails and gently push it towards the nails and cured it for another couple of seconds. So just to ensure everything is cured completely, on the lower part I cured it for another couple of seconds and in both the directions, and you can see it was upside down, and I'm done with all my nails cured and ready. If you have already tried polygels by yourself or at a nail salon, you should be knowing how satisfying it is to remove the nail template from a cured polygel. Well, it didn't take much long, but I definitely need a little bit of filing and shaping there. So filing towards the nail bed was one of the difficult part, and there we have our filed and shaped polygels, and clean any dust with an alcohol wipe. Finishing off towards the last step, we have our top coat. Cure it for a minute, and there we have our polygels on my non-dominant hand. It was really easy, effortless I would say. And let me know in the comment section below if you will try this by yourself. Thank you for your time, and do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.